In this module, we are going to talk about risk management. It is an extremely important topic because you will not be able to make money without managing your risk or potential losses. So many Forex traders overlook risk management and rush into trading without taking into account the size of their account. They basically just decide on how much they are willing to lose in one trade and start trading with huge lot sizes. And you want to know what this is called? Gambling. Without risk management rules in your trading, it is just gambling and trying to hit the jackpot in one trade. The risk management rules you will learn in this module will protect you from big losses and help you to be profitable in the long run. Do you know how casinos make their money if people win jackpots all the time? Because while people win jackpots, most people lose their money. And with so many people losing money and over a long period of time, the casino makes way more money than they give out in the jackpots. This is where the term "the house always wins" comes from. Casinos are just statisticians. They know that in the long run, they will be the ones making the money, not the gamblers. This is basically how risk management works. Learning how to control your losses will give you a slight edge in the market that could make all the difference between a winning and a losing strategy. Let's move on to the details of risk management in the next sections.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.